Hey everyone, welcome back to Digital Tech Heaven. I am Hashad, and here we provide practical tips to master technology skills through easy tutorial on software and apps, helping you succeed at work and school. And finally, we have Wise Game Booster. If you are looking for a simple user-friendly option to enhance your gaming setup, this is it. It optimizes your system with just few clicks, ensuring you get the best performance without any fuss. Search Wise Game Booster. Open site. Free download. File downloaded. Open file. Accept. Next. Choose location. Next to install. Launch. Finish. Found 23. Optimize all. System optimizer. All atom optimize it. Process optimizer. Service optimizer. Optimize all. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, share it to empower your friends in mastering their tech skills. Subscribe for more tutorial, hit the bell icon for updates, and drop down comment with your thoughts. Check out more of our content here and see you in the next one.